We have just touched down in China for BYD's first ever Australian test drive.
We made it. This is a really exciting time and we're so thrilled to have everyone here. And this trip has been probably 2 years in the making.
This is our very first trip to bring Australian media to China to see firsthand the scale and the size of BYD.
There are about 30 of us here and I am so excited. I've never been to China and the itinerary looks insane.
So today we're heading to BYD's Blade factory. We're going to learn all about their lithium iron phosphate batteries, which is actually really interesting.
You know, it really is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see what we're going to see. It's all about the battery, right?
I'm so excited to see the latest technology. I'm expecting to learn a lot today.
Oh, it's just amazing seeing the scale and being able to understand a bit more about the different areas of production.
Well, I think that was a crazy experience. It's very cool.
You can tell it's very precise what they're doing in there.
Just got off the flight here in Xi'an, so excited. Today we're going to go to the SEALION 6 plant. That's our #1 vehicle for Australia for BYD. So super pumped to show the team the size and scale of BYD.
It was absolutely incredible. I couldn't believe how much automation there was and how precise all the robots were.
Okay, so a huge day coming up today on the BYD tour. So I'll just go through the schedule now for today. We've got a workshop coming up and then an off-road test drive. Hopefully that's in the ute. Then the highlight of the trip should be the visit to the Terracotta Warriors, followed by a gala dinner at the end of the day. So lots to look forward to today.
Morning everybody, how are we? Who's pumped? Today we have wonderful news. We've announced today BYD SHARK is launching nationally in Australia 29th of October. You will be the first Australians to drive a BYD SHARK. Even better, SEALION 7. You are the first. It's going to be a great day. Well, our journey ends here. The great news is I feel as though we've all learnt so much the last couple of days about BYD. Today before us we had a media experience where the leader of the APAC region, Mr. Liu, was able to talk to our media and answer some really hard-hitting questions about the brand, the future and the expectations in the market.
You get to see really the full scale of BYD's operations. I mean, they've got 900,000 people apparently, and you can see just how big it is around here, how much of an imprint they've made on this city, and just how big their footprint is all over the country actually. So it's really, really exciting. They've got some great cars. They're very, very refined. They're all totally different. Some really fascinating technology, hybrid technology, and full electric technology as well. It's been really eye-opening actually to just really process the scale, process all of the things that go on in the background, and just see, you know, the impressive things they're doing all over China.